everyone, welcome to my channel. I've got here Icebox cookies with sprinkles. Icebox cookies are very light and it has the texture of biscuits, and you can see the sprinkles inside it. Please continue watching as I show you the ingredients and how I made it. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Thank you in advance. Here are the ingredients for Icebox cookies with sprinkles. Not too much. I'm going to use sugar, flour, sprinkles, baking soda, 1 large egg, margarine or butter, salt, nutmeg, and cinnamon. Sifted flour in a bowl. I'm going to add the baking soda. Then I'll add the salt. Next thing I'm going to add are the spices. Half teaspoon of nutmeg just went in, and then cinnamon. It wouldn't be Christmas without cinnamon. Half a teaspoon too. Next thing is the sprinkles. You could add from 2 tablespoons to 1/4 cup. Depends on how Christmassy and how sparkling you want it to be. Mix everything together. In another bowl, I'm going to put in the margarine. The sugar goes in. Till light and fluffy. It's all done. Light. The egg, a large one. I'm going to use a whisk. Just whisk it in. So I'm going manual today, and it is all mixed together. I'll add the flour now. This is half of the flour. I do not want to make a mess. If you have a bigger bowl, just pour everything in at once. So I'll go right ahead and fold in the flour. It's a soft dough. That's where you have the Icebox name that it got, and you can see it's all mixed properly, and you can see the sprinkles. So I'm going to put it in a fling. I'm going to shape it into a rectangle. If you like, you can shape it into a circular log. It's all shaped up, and then I realized later that I should have cut it into 2 rectangles so it will be able to go into the fridge, but I found a way to put it in the freezer. So for this dough, you might want to cut it into 2 and make 2 rectangles. This is going to be chilled for 4 to 6 hours. That's in the fridge. So I'll wrap it all up. And if you want to use a freezer, like I'm going to, because it's very long, so it will be half the time. That will be 3 hours in the freezer. After 3 hours in the freezer, here is what we got. It is solid. I'm slicing it like freehand, but if you are that extra and you want it to be of uniform size, use a ruler. Heat the oven at this point, and I ended up cutting it into 2 to make it easier for me to cut. And arrange on a paper lined baking tray. later. Our icebox cookies with sprinkles are ready. You might not let yours be this brown if you want a chewy, see the sprinkles? You want a chewy cookie. Thank you so much for watching.